Welcome back to Tech Explorer, your go-to channel for everything tech. Today, we are diving into the much-anticipated Redmi K80 Pro, a smartphone that's making waves in the flagship killer segment. With features like a stunning 6.67-inch OLED display, the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and cutting-edge battery and charging technology, this phone is a serious contender for your next upgrade. Let's break it down in detail. The Redmi K80 Pro sports a sleek and modern design with a glass front and back, sandwiched by an aluminum frame for durability. The device feels premium in hand and comes in three elegant colors: Meteor Black, Glacial Blue, and Sunset Gold. It also includes Gorilla Glass Victus protection, ensuring durability against minor drops and scratches. Plus, with its slim profile and curved edges, it's as ergonomic as it is stylish. The Redmi K80 Pro features a 6.67-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and 2K resolution. This combination delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and an ultra-smooth scrolling experience. Whether you're watching Netflix or playing games, the display is an absolute treat. The OLED panel also supports HDR10+, ensuring excellent contrast and brightness levels, even in outdoor conditions. Plus, with a peak brightness of 1500 nits, the screen remains sharp and legible under bright sunlight. Under the hood, the Redmi K80 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, Qualcomm's latest and greatest processor. Paired with up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone is built for high performance. Whether you're multitasking, streaming 4K content, or gaming, this device delivers seamless performance. The Adreno 740 GPU ensures smooth gameplay even in graphically intensive titles like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact. On the camera front, the Redmi K80 Pro features a 50MP triple camera system. The primary sensor, a Sony IMX890, captures incredible detail with vibrant colors and impressive dynamic range. Daylight shots are sharp, and low-light photography is enhanced by its advanced AI algorithms. The 8MP ultra-wide lens adds versatility, capturing stunning landscapes and group photos. Meanwhile, the 2MP macro lens allows you to explore intricate details, though it's more of a niche feature for photography enthusiasts. The 16MP front camera ensures sharp and well-balanced selfies. With features like portrait mode and AI beauty enhancements, it caters perfectly to social media enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the Redmi K80 Pro is its massive 6000 mAh battery, ensuring 2 days of moderate use on a single charge. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, battery anxiety is a thing of the past with this device. When it's time to recharge, the 120W fast charging takes the battery from 0 to 100% in just 20 minutes. That's not all, it also supports 50W wireless charging, making it one of the fastest wireless charging options available today. The Redmi K80 Pro runs on MIUI 15, based on Android 14, offering a feature-rich and customizable experience. MIUI's new features include smart widgets, dynamic wallpapers, and enhanced multitasking, making it more user-friendly than ever. The software also includes robust security features, such as Privacy Dashboard and App Permission Manager, keeping your data safe and secure. In terms of connectivity, the Redmi K80 Pro is future-proof with 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.3. It also includes an IR Blaster, allowing you to control appliances directly from your phone, a feature Redmi fans have come to love. It features a dual stereo speaker setup tuned by JBL, delivering immersive sound for movies and music. Plus, it retains the IP68 water and dust resistance, ensuring durability in tough environments. The Redmi K80 Pro starts at an impressive price of just $549 for the base variant, making it one of the most affordable flagship-tier smartphones. Considering the display, performance, and battery capabilities, it offers incredible value for money. In conclusion, the Redmi K80 Pro is a powerhouse that delivers on all fronts, from its stunning OLED display and powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset to its long-lasting battery and ultra-fast charging. It's designed for users who demand flagship performance at a mid-range price. If you're looking for a device that balances power, style, and affordability, the Redmi K80 Pro should definitely be on your radar. Let us know in the comments if this device is on your wish list, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. See you in the next one.